For week 4, you are going to be learning about charting in Excel. And you're going to start with the chapter on charts, module 4. And when you work on that, make sure you download and unzip the module for files, because it is more helpful if you work along with the exercises in the chapter. Once you complete that, you are going to do the chart types discussion. And to help you out with this, I did include a document from Microsoft's help site. It's their support site for Office. And it just kind of goes through the different chart types and when you would use each one. And that should help you when you are trying to determine which chart types would be better in each of these situations. So make sure you indicate which chart type you would use and explain why you selected that one. Then you'll also need to respond to 2 other students. After you complete that, you are going to be doing the training and the testing exercise like you have in the previous chapters, and then you can do the quiz. I do think these projects are very worthwhile. They involve downloading files, downloading instructions, and completing the instructions and then uploading the files. And I've noticed more and more of you are doing them. I highly recommend doing them. I think they are valuable, and they're each worth 5 points extra credit. So if you lose a few points on the quiz, that will more than make up for that. If you have any questions about material for this week, please post it to the forum, and I will check the forum and post a response. If it's not a question that you want everybody else to see, then feel free to email me. That's fine too. Let me know if you have any questions or problems, and have a great week.